What's the meaning of animal? Animal. 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 Animal.
Animal refers to a broad category of multicellular organisms that are typically mobile and heterotrophic, meaning they must consume other organisms for sustenance. Animals are distinguished from plants and fungi by their lack of cell walls, and from bacteria and archaea by their more complex cellular structure. They can range in size from microscopic organisms such as plankton to massive creatures like blue whales. Most animals reproduce sexually, but some species are capable of asexual reproduction. The animal kingdom is diverse and includes mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, and countless other groups.